Hey there and welcome to Cars with Nash. Today Nash is going to be filming me removing the headlight from my Land Rover. This is an LR3. It should be the same on any LR3. So you got to pull these tabs up, but it's important you don't pull them too far. You just pull them until those holes line up. There's one here and one here. And then there is a power plug right here, and you just depress that tab on it, but I can't get it out. There isn't clearance until the headlight's loosened up. So Nash is going to film me here. Okay, so this is optional. Sometimes you can get them with your fingers, but I find that's a nice way to get that one. And see if I can get the other with my fingers. Oh yeah. I think I pulled it too far. Oh, there we go. So with that free, I'll come back and reach through here. The plug's a little dirty, but slips right out. So you just depress that one tab and then just pull out and wobble it. And that's all there is to removing the headlight assembly from your Land Rover LR3.
Thank you for watching Cars with Nash. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and have yourself a great day.